Chaz here, back again for Direct RC, and we are coming up on the end of 2025, which puts us right in the heart of the holiday season. And I am going to give you the ultimate buyer's guide for every RC enthusiast on your list. Let's get into it. For the person who's just getting started or just starting to show interest in the hobby, start them off with one of the best entry-level RTRs on the market with that entry-level price tag. The Hobby Plus CR18P Evo V2, the Convoy, and the Rock Van. With a budget-friendly price tag of $129.99 and solid components, great design, plenty of upgradability as the beginner learns and grows in the hobby. And for the person who's ready to take their skills to the next level, step up with the Hobby Plus CR18P Brushless V3, the Rushmore and the T-Hunter, with an introductory price of $159.99. Premium name brand electronics from Hobbywing, and these are 2 and 3S capable trucks. And for the hobbyist who takes their crawling seriously and is looking to step into the competition scene, the Hobby Plus CR18P Juice Up RTR, regularly priced at $189.99. It comes with this red and black livery, and it also has a yellow and black livery as well. With the same 3S capable Hobbywing brushless system, it comes with a 3S battery right out of the box, as well as brass upgrades already installed. And for the hobbyist that's looking to do their own upgrades and take their performance to the next level, stock their stuffing with torque servos, such as the new MLS 1026, which was the first servo specifically designed for the Traxxas TRX-4M. With the lay-down design, it gets rid of the stand-up servo mount, and it lowers weight down closer to the axle, exactly where you want it, all while improving every aspect of steering performance. Starting with a regular price of $44.99, depending on which version, which model, and which rig you're looking at, torque servos are the king of the mountain as far as best specs on the market. Or you can step up with Next Racing oil shocks. The oil provides smooth suspension travel with various lengths for whatever each hobbyist's end goal is, with regular prices starting at $24.98 but varying depending on which model you are upgrading. For the racer in your life, let them hit the track with the Hobby Plus Spec B. This is a 124 micro buggy with a regular price of $99.99. And one of the biggest pros of this rig is it has mounting options for bigger motors and drop-in brushless systems without having to change your transmitter. And for the hobbyist whose collection has grown and their transmitters are starting to take over, it's time to upgrade. And Direct RC has recently become the exclusive distributor of Dumbo RC in the United States, offering 4 different models depending on your skill level, your desire, and your budget. They have the 4-channel X4 with a regular price of $35.99. They have the X6PM with a regular price of $38.99, has 6 channels. And then they also have the 6-channel X6 with a regular price of $42.99. And then my personal favorite is the DDF 350 10-channel transmitter that has 10 model memory with a regular price of $79.99. And with the winter chill settling in, it is time to take RCing indoors. And what better way to do that than with Crawler Track's indoor crawler obstacles? They have a full array of obstacles ranging from $31.99 all the way up to $125 for a suspension bridge that spans up to 6 feet long. And all of them are designed, produced, manufactured, and shipped from the US. And for the hobbyist who just can't stop tinkering and has more RCs not running than running, they need a recovery vehicle, and what better option than the Hobby Plus CR18P Arctos with the new version 1.5 coming out that is compatible with a drop-in brushless motor at your leisure and be able to keep the transmitter and all of the radio functions intact. A regular price of $199.99. It comes with 6-wheel drive, a full light package, and a working rear winch, as well as slidable ramps to pull the vehicles right up onto the flatbed. And last but certainly not least, for the hobbyist who has it all and is looking for something completely different, the Hobby Plus 8x8x8 Terranaut. It's an 8-wheel drive off-road tactical vehicle with 8-wheel steer. independent front and rear steering with a working winch, a working fifth wheel, and a full light package, regularly priced at $269.99. This is the RC that nobody saw coming, but everybody wants. And that is the ultimate buyer's guide heading into the 2025 holiday season. We have off-road vehicles, we have race vehicles, we have recovery vehicles, we have tactical vehicles, we have upgrades, we have transmitters, we have obstacles, all ranging from budget-friendly up to $269.99. So whatever you're looking for and whatever level of skill your hobbyist has, we have what they need at Direct RC. So get that order in and enjoy your holidays.